Hello, you beautiful gems. So today we are going to package another mystery box. So I already got the mystery box prepared with the little bit of filler on the inside. I'm just going to go ahead, get her done. So first item I'm going to add to the box is our Imperial Topaz. It's our invigorating foot and bath soap. Definitely a luxurious product. It smells really good. And I think around this time of the year, this is the time when people really get into those spicy flavors like cinnamon and orange and things like that. So I'm going to go ahead and add this in. This soap can be used for either a full bath or it could be used in a foot spa, and you can either use the entire bag or you can just use just a little bit. So I mean, it's really up to you. It depends on how much you like. So I don't like to put measurements on things because it really depends on the individual. All right, so we'll go ahead and pop that in there. The next thing we have is our Rosy Quartz. This is my sorry, and I'm not doing any editing. Whatever mistakes I make today is just gonna be in here. So this is our bath and body oil. This is a really nice oil. It could be used when you hop out the bathtub or the shower while your body is still moist. You can also take it with you, but I would highly suggest don't leave it in your bag because it can leak out. So if you put it in your bag, make sure you maybe put it in a Ziploc or just make sure it doesn't topple over. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that in here. Next thing we have our lash and brow serum. This serum can be used at night after you wash your face. It can help to, it has ingredients like castor oil and argan oil and vitamin E oil, which can help to increase your hair growth. So you just brush it on your eyebrows and on your lashes at night after you wash your face, and then wake up the next morning and wash your face again. Just consistency is key. Just make sure you use it on a regular basis. Next thing we have is our golden pineapple. It's our from our moist mouth lip glaze collection. It'll have your lips nice and soft. It does have glitter in it, and the glitter does not irritate your lips. It's very fine. It's actually it's ultra fine glitter, so it shouldn't cause any irritation or anything like that. So the next thing I'm going to add, this is just something a little extra because this customer, this is her second time ordering from me, and she's supported my other businesses in the past. Very supportive person. So this is a my mango lip scrub kit. It's not complete because it doesn't have any oil or any lip balm in it, but this is something that's not on my website yet, but it will be soon. So, but I did add the lip glaze in there, so that will help for her lip hydration. And then I have something else that I'm going to add as well. So I'm going to pop that in there, and it'll be a nice surprise because this is right on top. So when she opens it, she won't see all the things that I already have at the bottom for her. All right. So let me go ahead, add a little stuffing up in there. Oops, sorry. Can't forget my last little piece. So, you know, this is a mystery box. So I decided that I'm not going to show every single thing that I put in these boxes. So even though we have a mystery box, we have a bonus mystery bag. So I'm put the mystery bag in the mystery box, and nobody is going to know what are in these bags except for the person who gets the order. So I'm going to add that. Now I'm going to put the paper in here so I can close it up. Psych. I still have to add a few more items because you know I'm extra. So I'm just going to put, actually I will put that little filler, and I'll use this one. And this is a local delivery. So I just want to cover those items up. So now for the freebies. You know, for every order I always have to throw in a freebie. So for this, I have the ring pop, a little small, I'm sorry, I'm out of focus, out of camera. Little ring pop, 2 stickers, small chalkboard, and a little piece of chalk. In addition to that, I also have a sample. I'm sorry, I'm trying to get correct in front of the camera. I have a sample of my mint lip oil. That also will be on the website soon. I know when I say something's going to be on my website soon, I do put it on there, but it just takes a little time because I have to take product photos and get my products labeled and things like that. So please bear with me. But I do have a lot on there now. I have a lot to choose from. All right, so let me go ahead and put that in here. All right, so now I'm going to close it up. Psych, one more thing. So I have the little luggage, but you know you can't have a luggage. Really? You know what? That's going to still be in this video too. My little hook came off from the luggage. I'm going to pause it. All right. So my handle came off of the luggage, but here's his little friend. Little very cute friend that's going to go along for the ride. And these little bears, you guys, there's a lot more where these came from. I have some bundles that are coming up soon that will have my bears in them, and I have a lot of different colors to choose from. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and add the little very cute buddy in here. Now the package is ready to go. So I'm going to add my custom made paper. Close it up. Psych. Okay, it's my last psych. But I have to add my thank you card. So I'm going to actually put that right on top. I kind of switch up my packaging routine sometimes because I'm really trying to see what works best. So I have my thank you card. Now I'm done for real, for real, for real. So I'm going to close this up. Add my little tape that I said looked like Doctor Strange. And I'm going to pack it up and go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I highly encourage you, if you haven't shopped my website yet, I highly encourage you to do so. I have a lot of items on there, and I have a lot more coming up soon. I have a new set of press-on nails on my site, but also any nails that you don't see. I only have a few sets on there, but whatever you don't see, if you do have any particular item in mind, you can always message me on the chat. There's a chat on the website. All right, so we are ready to go. Thank you guys so much for your time, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.